are out here at Texas 2K with Rachel. Rachel, this is quite the interesting car here. Tell me a little bit about it.
Well, I used to race a Harley truck and it went 10 once, but I got kind of tired of going so slow. So my husband bought me this car back in October. We put it together in about a month. And then
Holy cow.
It ran, first time out, it ran at 824 at 168.
First time out?
Yes, out in Las Vegas.
Holy cow. So tell me a little bit about the setup. I mean, you have a quite interesting turbo setup.
Yes, it's a 4.6 built by my husband, Buddha Racing Innovations. Has a 76mm turbo. I'm pushing 28 pounds of boost right now, so.
Is that conservative or is that pushing it?
It's conservative. She has some more in her, but we're just kind of easing into it.
I gotcha.
So.
All right, well, hey, good luck going down the track, and I wish you the best of luck winning.
Thank you.
You got something sticking out of your head.
Yes. How's it going?
Good. Sounds like you're having a good weekend.
I am a little bit if I can get a good run in.
What's your best run of the weekend?
822 at 168.
Nice.
So.
What's the engine turbo combo in here?
It's a 4.6 and it's a 76mm turbo.
Oh, that's Frank was saying it was his old setup.
Yeah, pretty much his old setup.
Well, good luck at first round.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Maybe you'll match up with Frank later on down the road.
Maybe like an exhibition.
That'd be awesome.